ready?
Let's do it.
All right. Now that I have your attention, right behind me we have my 2016 Honda Civic. We're gonna change the incandescent backup lights to some LED ones from our favorite LED company, Oxito. There is a coupon code that's below whenever you're looking at the description. Anyways, we're gonna change these LED backup lights out. Have you ever done that before, Phil?
I've done it with my front headlights on my Camry. You've seen that video, I hope. If you haven't, go watch it. Because we were big fans of how these Oxito, at least the front headlights looked very bright. Probably annoying to people who don't like bright headlights, but for me, I need it.
It's 2023, so, get over it.
That's right.
This is a little bit different than changing the front headlamps. On the 2016 Honda Civic, what we're gonna have to do is actually remove the rear tail light, but that's pretty easy because when you pop the trunk here, it's just these two bolts right here that you're gonna have to replace. So you'll remove these two bolts right here, they're 8mm bolts, and then the tail light is going to pop out, and then you're gonna change the backup light.
That's right.
It sounds complicated, but really it's not too bad. But before we do that, Phil, what do we gotta do?
We gotta open that thing.
We gotta open that thing, that's right. So let's just do the darn thing and open it, right?
Yep, the anticipation is building as we wait. Pop that knife.
Legal in Missouri, by the way.
Be very careful with it though.
Yeah.
Don't be stupid.
The key is cut away from yourself.
And towards your friend.
All right, so we got, oh, guess what? You got another
package.
Within the bag.
It's a Russian nesting doll for headlight bulbs.
That's what those things are called?
Yep.
All right, there's even another one. And then the big box. So which box do I open? This looks like the backup lights right there. If you don't like it that I didn't know that ahead of time, then don't know what to do.
Then there's nothing to say or do about it. Doesn't matter.
But anyways, these are the backup lights. I'm pretty sure they look like it. 12 volt, 360 degree illumination, low power consumption. I like it.
All right.
So now we're going to take the tail light out. How to change a Honda tail light in less than 60 seconds.
Go.
So let's show them what it looks like with both of them as LED.
Let's do it.
Well, Phil, I think that these LED backup lights from Oxito really increased the appearance of my 2016 Civic. What do you think? I
agree. You know, they look good with the white paint job, which obviously that's superficial, doesn't really matter, but you know, it's a little bonus.
Yeah.
Practically though, they're brighter. They're
I should
probably
be able to see better when I'm backing up.
And the people behind you are going to be able to see you more clearly. So it's good all around.
Just remember, we got a coupon code for you where you get to save 10% on Oxito lights by going to their website. Use the code Andrew and Phil Show.
That's right.
And we'll put it down in the description too, just in case I said it wrong. But it is Andrew and Phil Show.
That's right. So thanks for watching, guys.
Goodbye.
Bye.